What is happening, everybody? Austin here. So tonight I'm doing a really last minute tournament. It's essentially 2 o'clock right now, and I'm heading over to the Delta, and it's called the Wednesday Nighter. So very last minute. Honestly, I just shoved 4 rods into my Honda, and I plan on fishing really tough, really hard. I'm fishing with my buddy Scott. So very last minute, but hopefully we can capitalize, get on some fish. It looks like we're gonna be fishing a lot of grass. It's the Delta, so the bass are in the grass, so that's what we're gonna be hitting up the whole time. Hopefully this last minute tournament pays off, and if not, I'm just down to have some fun and catch some fish. I haven't fished in about a month, so I'm actually pretty juiced. So let's see what happens, guys.
Second place, Robert and Ryan. 18.7.
Yeah.
Good job, guys.
What was your weight?
500 for second for the night.
1853.
700 for second for the small.
You got your camera thing on?
Yeah. I got it on.
Just caught him when it counted. Good job.
Good job, fellas. Good job.
Okay, coming in first place, Scott and Austin with 1853.
Yes!
Plus.
Oh,
Nice.
that's sick.
And trophies.
Oh, no way.
Get a trophy.
That is badass.
Good job.
Oh
Okay,
my
thanks
God. Thank you so much,
And
man. I appreciate it.
You still spoke up and said
That's awesome.
Can't reveal
I'm
that.
so glad you did too.
We can't
That
reveal
is
that.
sick.
Thanks again, man.
Hey, sorry about the other week.
That's all right.
Hey, I appreciate it, man.
Made it up.
Out and it's all good.
Yeah. And then
Oh.
coming with the big fish is
That is
Chad
awesome.
and Bethany still here.
Ooh. Let's go, baby.
Thanks, guys.
Hey, thank you so much. Thank you so much.
That's awesome.
Hey,
Good job, man. We'll see you. Hey, good job, fellas. Hey,
thank you.
Good job.
Hey, amazing, guys.
Nope, you did good. Good job, man.
Hey, have a good night.
Congratulations.
Thank you so
This
much.
is a good night to have 18 pounds.
Yeah.
I didn't even think we were going to be close. Hey, take care, guys.